If you're trying to decide between Home Assistant and Homey Pro, here's the simple, real-world breakdown after actually looking at both. On one side, you've got Home Assistant. It's free, insanely powerful, and runs on whatever hardware you already have, like a Raspberry Pi or mini PC. But here's the trade-off. You're basically building the system yourself. Expect some setup work, some troubleshooting, and occasionally diving into forums or YAML to get things just right. On the other side is Homey Pro. This is the "it just works" option. It's a $399 all-in-one hub with built-in support for almost everything: Zigbee, Z-Wave, Matter, Bluetooth, even IR. Setup is quick, and automations use a simple drag-and-drop flow system. So is it worth your money? If you love tinkering and want total control, Home Assistant wins. But if you want a polished, easy smart home that anyone in the house can use, Homey Pro is hard to beat.